Welcome back. Order of environmental clearances of Goan mining leases is illegal, says activist Sudeep Tamankar. He has filed a criminal complaint against MOEF Minister Prakash Javadekar, Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar and others. Complaint has been filed with Central Vigilance Commission, CBI and Parliament Police Station. Tamankar has also filed a complaint with CAG for loss of 20,000 crore for the state due to illegal mining.
Activist Sudeep Tamankar has alleged that press conference by Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar and Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar in Defence Minister's cabin in Delhi on EC was illegal.
जी पळय प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतल्या 17 तारखेर त्या प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सान एनवायरमेंटल क्लियरन्सीस जे पळय सस्पेन्शनान आसल्यो त्यो रिवोक करपाचो निर्णय सांगलो गेलो. निर्णय 17 तारखेक सांगलो पूण ऑर्डर ऑफिशियली 20 तारखेक काडली गेल्या. खंय तरी आमचो आरोप आहा की ऑलरेडी सगळो प्लॅन करून तांकां प्रवृत्त केल्या ऑफिसरांक की तुमी हे काडा म्हणून थंयसर.
Similarly, he criticized Goa government for having failed to recover loss due to illegal mining.
ह्या सरकाराच्या म्हणण्या प्रमाणे इलिगल अशें जर कांयच घडोवंक ना आनी इलिगल अशें कांयच घडोवंक ना कित्याक दिसता तर सरकारान आयज पर्यंत कोणाचेर कंप्लेंट करूंक ना, खंयच्याच मायन ओनराक भितर उडोवंक ना, खंयच्याच पॉलिटिशनाक आजून पर्यंत अरेस्ट करूंक ना किंवा ₹1 वसुलीचो रिकवर करूंक ना. तर अशें जर मायन घोटाळ्यान जर कांयच घडोवंक नासलें जाल्यार सरकारान 3 वर्सां जी पळय जनता आसा मायनींग बेल्टान पळय जे लोक आसा आयज उपासमारीची पळय तेंचेर पाळी येयल्या त्या लोकांक लाचार करून कित्याक दवरले असो आमी आयज हांगासर प्रश्न करता आनी सरकारान खंय तरी उत्तर दिवचें अशी मागणी करता.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Goa Meat Complex is in the news again. Some of the traders have complained that the meat complex has refused to slaughter animals without submitting FDA license. They feel that this is nothing but harassment. They have demanded that if meat traders are targeted, then government should issue similar guidelines to chicken and mutton traders and fish sellers. Goa Meat Complex says that they are following directives of the FDA.
The Goa Meat Complex on Saturday witnessed heated arguments over slaughtering of animals. Some of the traders had gone to the complex with cattle for slaughtering, but traders complained that they were not entertained.
इधर लाने के बाद इधर डॉक्टर अंदर एंट्री करने के छोड़ के वो क्या बोलता है कि तुम्हारा FDA लाइसेंस मांगता है. FDA लाइसेंस हमारा पहले से नहीं है और हमको अभी अप्लाई किया, जस्ट अप्लाई किया. बीफ के लिए पूछ रहा है, चिकन मटन पोर्क फिश ये लोग के लिए क्यों नहीं लगता है? बंद करने का पूरा बंद करो, टोटली बंद करो, टोटली जब लाइसेंस मिलेगा तब स्टार्ट करो.
Traders are also annoyed with the animal lovers or NGOs who are interfering in their legal business. They claim that NGO has no right to intervene.
कल रास्ते में वो हनुमान पर्वत में रुकाया था. एक्चुअली उसको कोई राइट नहीं है रुकाने का. फिर भी हम लोग पेपर जो कुछ भी जो हमारा पुलिस वाले लोग को दिखाया, पुलिस वाले ने बोला डॉक्यूमेंट ओके है, फिर भी वो illegal बोलता है.
Goa Meat Complex says that they are following directives of the FDA.
The FDA director has directed the Goa Meat Complex not to go ahead with slaughtering for those shops or those traders who do not have a FDA license.
Okay.
So in view of this, although the Goa Meat Complex is ready to slaughter, we cannot.
Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar during budget session had appealed activists to limit their activism to the animal rescue and not to block the beef supply, which is part of common minorities' food. Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
108 ambulance service employees entered 10th day of hunger strike. Union leader Amar Dargalkar alleged that higher authorities are trying to break the hunger strike. He alleged that employees on strike are forcefully taken to GMC for treatment.
Then casualty नेले त्यांना त्यांका कायच म्हणता ते ट्रीटमेंट करूंक ना. जबरदस्तीन हांगासर आमचे तिसवाडीचे मामलेदार आणि हांगासर पुलीस स्टेशनाचे PSI हांगासर जबरदस्ती व्हरांक सोदताले. तांकां कोणी तरी वयरसून सांगला डॉक्टरांक की त्यांची वायटल्स आसा ते अनस्टेबल कर आणि तांकां हांगाले शिफ्ट कर सो दॅट आमचो जो हंगर स्ट्रायक आहा तो मोडटलो अशें म्हणून तांकां वयरसून सांगला. म्हणून तेंच्यांनी हो प्लॅनिंग केल्लो आहा. इट्स अ फुल ड्रामा अँड शेम अँड scam from government.
So now it is normal. It is almost normal.
Mamladar of Tiswadi, Madhu Narvekar, informed that they take immediate action only when the employees on hunger strike are ill
Sir, the urban doctor told me that the BP of the one hunger strike is very low. I required to shift it. So I come here in order to shift the patient.
Situation is critical or what it is?
The doctor was the one giving the report. He inspected, he examined that patient. He giving the report. It's normal. It is my duty and my responsibility as a Taluka and district administrator to take care of this hunger strike. If their situation is worse, take appropriate steps. I should not take anything beyond the situation.
Meanwhile, union leader Ajit Singh Rane informed that CM has assured to induct GRES employees under GHRDC.
मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी सांगितलं जर 3 महिन्याचा तुमका टाइम जर दिलो न्ही तो आपण रिड्यूस करता आणि एका महिन्याच्या भितर हे जे सगळे कामगार जे आसा तुमचे पळय ते आपण त्यांका भितर घेता काय म्हणजे त्यांचे जे आसा ते सिलेक्शन करता.
He also said that the agitation will continue till the employees are actually inducted.
3 महिन्याच्या नंतर परत असेंब्ली जातली म्हणजे जे बजेट जे जालें ते बजेट डिस्कशन आसतलें आता ती असेंब्ली आसतली त्या वेळाचेर आमी सज्ज आसतले बोवाळ घालपाक आणि त्या सगळ्या भुरग्यांच्या फाटल्यान आमी आसतले. मुख्यमंत्री शब्दाक जागतलोच कारण तो बहुजन समाजातलो मुख्यमंत्री.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.